So students, with your request, again I am making the video of page 16. So in page 16, the whole page I have written here. So the first is this is a 100-meter race for girls. Okay, it is a 100-meter race for girls. Arundhati is nearest the finishing line. So this in this picture I draw Arundhati. Suppose this is Arundhati. Okay, she is about 6 meters from it. So this distance from here to here, this distance is 6 meter. Okay, now behind her is Rihanna. Behind her is Rihanna. So I draw Rihanna here. Okay, this one is Rihanna. Kankana and Uma are running behind. This one is Kankana and this one is Uma. Okay, and they are running behind Rihanna. Okay, look at the picture. So we are looking this picture, we draw this picture. This one is Arundhati, this one is Rihanna, and this one is Kankana and Uma. To answer this question, that means answer A, B and C. To answer this question, this A, B, C questions, below choose from this distance. So we have to choose this distance, this options. Okay, 3 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters and 15 meters to answer A, B and C. Okay, this answers, this questions answer we have to do with the help of these options. Okay, 3 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters and 15 meters. Now the first question is, how far is Rihanna from Arundhati? So Rihanna is here, Arundhati is here. Okay, now see the distance of Arundhati to the line, that means the end line is 6 meters. So in this picture we see the difference between Rihanna and Arundhati is half of the distance between Arundhati and the end line. So we can write this distance between Arundhati and Rihanna is 3 meter, because it look like half the distance, because this distance is look like a half the distance of the distance between Arundhati and end line. So we can write this distance is 3 meter, because there is no other option to solve this, to solve the answers. Okay, so that is why I am making this procedure. Why I am making I am using this procedure, because I am not getting any other options. By looking this picture, the distance between Arundhati and the end line is 6 meter, and the distance between Rihanna and Arundhati is half of the distance. Okay, just seeing the picture, it is half the distance. So we can write this answer is 3 meter. How far Rihanna from Arundhati? We can write 3 meter. Looking these pictures, Rihanna and Arundhati distance is half the distance between Arundhati and end line. So we can write this distance is 3 meter. Okay, next question B, how far ahead is Rihanna from Kankana and Uma? So Kankana and Uma is here. So looking this picture, we can write this distance between Kankana and Uma, this distance we can write 6 meter, because from Arundhati and end line is same the distance between Kankana and Rihanna. Looking this picture, just see the picture and we have to answer the questions. The same distance between Rihanna and Kankana is same as the distance between Arundhati and end line. So we can write Kankana, Uma and Rihanna distance is 6 meters. Okay, now how far are Kankana and Uma from the finishing line? Kankana and Uma is here, end line is here. So from end line to Arundhati is 6 meter, Arundhati to Rihanna is 3 meter, and Rihanna to Uma and Kankana is 6 meter. So total is how much? 6 plus 3 plus 6 is how much? It is 15 meter. So we take our answers from these options: 15, 6 and 3. Okay, so there is no other ways to solve this questions, I think. Okay, so by using this picture, we have to solve the answer of solve the questions of A, B and C. Okay, if any doubt, then ask me in my personal number. Okay, thank you for watching this video.